Into my tutorial video on how you can easily copy a professional trader on PU Prime. I will show you step-by-step strategy on how you can copy trade on PU Prime broker right now, step by step, with easy and easy. You just need only 2 steps. You need PU Prime accounts. You need to just register with the link down below this video. Then you need PU Prime, PU Social. That is the all what you need to have to start copying a professional trader on PU Prime. Let me show you how you can just register right now. All right, when you click on the link down below this video, make sure you register your details and everything, verify your account, and come to this area and click on create an account, and make sure you tick all this area. I'm not in US, wherever. Just register and verify the account. If you need a video on how you can create and verify your account, the video is down below this video to just watch that video and easily create your personal account step by step right now. All right, the second thing you need to have right now is your PU Prime Social. You need to install this particular app on your Play Store. Go to Play Store and search for PU Prime Social. Just install it on your phone right now, step by step, guys. All right, once you download everything finished, make sure you click on open to open your account to register for free. You can use the same email you used to register with PU Prime to just create a free account. Yeah, it's totally easy and easy. So once you click on the link, it will bring you to this particular area where you need to log in with your. Right now, you need to just make sure, if you are a new member, make sure you click on this for the first time. Click on that. All right, the second button to just create an account. Make sure you put all your information and register your email and everything to just register, and try to click on all this one to just register. You are good to go. Just register. Then I will now show you guys on how to just connect your account with PU Social to start trading immediately. All right, once you have already registered successfully, you need to just make sure to log into your account. All right, so once you register for free, let me just log in right now. Right now we have already successfully registered. So let's go back to our PU Prime to make sure to link our account, our MT4 account, to this area. All right, make sure you copy your MT4. Then let me show you what you need to just. Let's go to our PU Prime to create a send account. Is what a send account on PU Prime. Let me show you how to do that step by step on PU Prime. Right, so when you come to your PU Prime account, this is PU Prime. After successful, I will deposit money into this account right now to show you guys exactly on how you can easily go about it. So right now, you need to just make sure to create a sent account. I've already have a sent account already. Just come to account area here, click on account, then you will see an area where you need to just create a sent account, a live sent account. This is my own personal sent account. All right, a sent account. All right, then the next step right now is to just come to plus sign. All right, up here to create. I've already done my own already. When you click on that area, you're gonna come to this is live. Make sure your account is live account. Why this particular area is MT5. Then you come to this area where they say choose an account type. All right, you click on this area. You can see my caution. Click on that area. Then you click on send. This is send account. You can see where I just mark. All right, it's send account. Then make sure that the send account is what is standard. All right, choose a sent account here. This is a sent account. Why this one is standard? Can you see? It must be like this: sent versus standard account. Sent account. The account is what is USC. It's not a dollar. It's a cent account. All right. So then you need to just make sure to click on this area. All right, like this. Then you need to just come to submit down button here. Then to create your own sent account successfully. That's all. Then your details will be sent to your email account. Your login details will be sent to your email account. All right, it's that simple and easy, guys. So right now I've already created my own account already. So right now let me just deposit money into this account first. Right now this is my sent account. It's a USC account. I will just click on, if you want to deposit, let me just go back home page. All right, just come to accounts here again, so that you will not miss the account. You will choose the account that you want to go for. This one is a normal MT5. Why? Normal standard account. Why this one is a USC? You can see. You select this one, the USC. Then you come to this area and click on deposits. From $500 upward, you can start doing copying trading, even to $50. So, all right, equivalent. Then you come to this, how much you want to deposit to this account. You click on this area, $500. Depend. That $500 will give you, okay, it's 50. The amount is 50,000. Yes, 50,000 USC. Yes, it's equivalent to $500. All right, you will now come to this. All right, so yes, equivalent to what? So let's just allow it to load up. All right, you can use either BEP20. I normally use BEP20 wallet to make my deposit. You can use bank transfer, whatever. So you can use TRC as well. This is TRC if you like. You can also use BEP20. It's very, very fast. I just want to go for this one, BEP20. I'll now click on continue. It's that simple. So yeah, so it's that simple. You can see this account is can you see it's $500 account. All right, which is $500, which equivalent to 50,000 USC. You can see equivalent to what? 50,000 USC. I will now make sure to click on this deposit to put in money to the account right now. So let me just show you right now. Click. All right, I've already sent the money right now. I've already sent the money. I will just come to submit here. All right now to show you guys. I'll see 50,000 UXC on my account. All right, simple and easy. It's loading right now. All right, just make sure to watch this video to the end for you guys to know how to do it. All right, can you see the money is being, all right, 50,000 UXC. So let me just wait for it to back up. You can see the money is now there, which is equivalent to $500. Equivalent to what? $500. When I click on this area account, you see the money there. The next step right now is to just go to your email account and check your MT5. Can you see the money is now 50,000 USD? So you have already done with this area. After, make sure you verify and deposit. The money will now be on your account. Let's go back to our Gmail account to check our what? To check our details to log into our MT4 or MT5. All right, now they have already sent you your details to log into your MT4. All right, all this server name, everything you copied and everything, you are good to go. Then you use it to just log into your what? To your PU Prime social. You can also use this log into your MT5 as well to be checking your results. Let me show you on the MT5. All right, this is the app you need this particular app, MT5. You need it, MT5. Just go to Play Store and download this particular app, what called MT5. To log into it, you just click on plus sign to log in with your details and everything. All right, you are good to go. So let me just show you real quick. All right, you come to this particular area called put the plus sign here. Click on that plus sign. Then you paste this particular server there. So that is the how to just be checking your record. You click, then the password given to you, your number, then the password. You now click on what? You now click on login. Then your account will now be fully like this. So you now see your money there, 50,000 USD on your account. So let's go back to our what? How you can connect your account with PU Social right now. The same thing you are going to do right now. So when you come to your PU Social, this particular, so this is your PU Social. You register for free account, no any money you are going to pay. Just register with your email, then you open it. After installing the app, register and everything and verify your account. Then you open the app. Once you open the app, make sure you scroll down and click on account down below. They will ask you to link your MT5 details, the password, everything given to you on MT5. You need to just connect it together. That is all what you need to you link it together. Then you select the server name and everything. show share. Then the account number given to you, you put the account number here, then the password given to you, then you select this area. All right, then you need to click on done. So let me just go and put everything right now. I will now click on done. I will now log in successfully to that particular account right away, guys. Right now I've already set, right, I will just click on this done. Right now, make sure you select this one, then tick this area. You can see that is the area you're going to. I'll now click on done. Right now, let me just go ahead and do it right now. Right now, I've already successfully logged into that account. Let me just click on account. Can you see I've already linked the account successfully right now to this account. Then I will now give you the trader. What trader are you going to copy right now? You can just DM me for that. I will give you the trader you are going to copy right now to link your account together with it to start copying a trader. You need to just search for the trader here. There are many fake traders here, but I'll give you one recommended one I'm using. You search for the trader here you are going to copy. Let me just give you for free right now in this video right now. Right now, you need to just search the name of the professional trader. Search the name of the person you want to copy, because that is the one of the name. You now click on this area to search. You can just DM it so that you don't do any mistake, guys. Then you need to just make sure to click on copy right now. Click on copy right now. Click on copy. This area is they normally charge you 30%. You share the profit together. They take 30%, you take 70%. When you make profit, any profit you make, they take 30%. You take what? You take 70%. Then this area, you need to just make sure to select the lot size. You can just say fix lot size, fix one. Then you need to just make sure to set up. You can start with 0.01 or 0.01 like this. It depends. This account is $500. You can start with 0.01 or 0.02. It depends on your account size. For Forex, 0.01 you can start with that, or 0.0. Like for this video, let me just use 0.01 so that you won't blow your account. Then you can this area. So right now, make sure you don't just click on this one. All right, don't click on this one. All right, just follow the step. Then you click on this add, agree, and copy right now. Then you scroll down very well. You need to just tick all this one, I confirm and everything, to copy a trader. Then you need to just click on OK. You click on OK. Then this risk profile of a signal may increase or decrease while you are copying. So normal thing, that one is normal thing. Just click on proceed. All right, you click on proceed. All right, your application to auto copy. All right, mass drawdown, everything. So let me just show you. All right, you click on this mass drawdown. You click on this mass drawdown to do some settings. All right. So here you don't need to put anything here. Don't put anything here. You can just say this area you can use 50%. Right, yes. Then don't put anything on this area. All right, don't put anything on this soft hard copy. You don't need to put anything on that particular area. Just that simple and easy. Right now, after doing this kind of thing, putting your 50 here, just click on agree right now. Then the account will start copying. The account has been successfully copied this particular trader. You can see. So it's that simple and easy. Then you start seeing your results on your MT5 on your MT5. All right, every blessed day. So that's simple way. Now you can just copy a professional and start making money while you are sleeping, guys. And if you want to edit anything on your account, just come to edit here to edit. If you want to edit the lot size, you can edit. If you want to stop copying the trader, click on that cancel to cancel everything. So that's all. If you want to, let me just show you again. If you want to edit something, If you want to edit your lot size, you come to this area to edit it. Then you click on update. Then you click on this update. Then if you want to copy that trader, cancel that trader, click on that cancel to stop it. It's that simple. Then your result will start showing on your empty file. So you can start seeing your result like this on your MT5 or your MT4. So it's that simple. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, guys.